Introduction to Speechify for Studying.
Speechify is a popular app that transforms written text into natural-sounding speech. This makes it easier for students to listen to textbooks, notes, or articles on the go. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to quickly convert your study materials into audio using Speechify's mobile features, making your study sessions more flexible and accessible.
Getting started with Speechify.
To begin, download and install the Speechify app from your mobile device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. The app's interface is user-friendly and guides you through basic setup, making it easy to start converting text to audio right away.
Importing study materials.
With Speechify, you can import various types of study materials such as PDFs, Word documents, web pages, or even photos of text. Tap the plus button, choose your source, and follow the prompts to upload or scan your document. The app will automatically recognize the text and prepare it for conversion into speech.
Choosing a voice and playback speed.
Speechify offers a selection of natural voices and multiple languages. You can preview different voices and find the one that suits your listening preference. Adjust the playback speed to listen faster or slower, depending on your comfort and comprehension level. Customizing these options helps make your audio study sessions more enjoyable and effective.
Listening and managing audio files.
Once your study material is imported and set up, simply press play to start listening. You can pause, skip, or rewind as needed. Speechify allows you to organize your files, create playlists, and even save audio for offline playback. This way, you can listen to your materials anywhere, anytime, even without an internet connection.
Tips for maximizing study with Speechify.
To get the most out of Speechify, try listening while commuting or during routine activities. Use bookmarks to highlight important sections for review. Combine listening with traditional reading for better retention. Speechify's features are designed to support various study styles, making it a valuable tool for students seeking flexibility.